Hi Ken, it's Apple. This is my steps for sugar. So let's start. Counting is by 8, right? So first step is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sabay kayo niyan. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Ang next step is ito. So after nito, jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ang side niyan is ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? After niyan, followed by ganito. So nakaganon na yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ito tago to ha. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? After nun, sway. So dito na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapon siya ha. So ang counting is tatlong 8 and then isang 6 bago mag-chorus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After ng 6, wave na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then si Apple, after nyan, gitara siya, iikot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Si Candy naman, ganun ka lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right?